Dear students, in the series of Ncert solution electricity class 10, we have covered till now question number 1 to 14. Now in this video we will cover question number 15 and the rest of the questions. If you have not subscribed our channel till now, please subscribe our channel. It encourages us to make such videos and like and share my video. Now come to question number 15. Question number 15 says two lamp, one rated 100 watt and power supply is 220 volt, and other lamp is rated 60 watt with power supply of 220 volt, are connected in parallel to electric main supply. What is the current is drawn from the line if the supply voltage is 220 volt? Students, in this question we are given two lamps. One lamp is rated with 100 watt and other lamp is rated with 60 watt, and the power supply of voltage is 220 volt. Now come to the question. We will write question number 15. Here we are given power for first lamp is 100 watt and power for second lamp given is 60 watt, and the voltage supply is, student, we are given 220 volt. Now we have the formula for the power when voltage is given is P is equal to V square upon R, and we are asked that the both lamp are connected in parallel. So first we will find the resistance of the lamp by the formula R is equal to V square upon P. We will interchange resistance with the power diagonally. So we will get the formula R is equal to V square upon P. So resistance for first lamp will be potential will be same for the both lamp, 220 square upon power 100, and the resistance for the another lamp, power supply is same for both lamp, and the potential supply is same for both lamp, and power is 60 volt. Now we know that we are given that both of lamp are connected in parallel combination. So we will find out the resultant. We will find out the resultant of resistance. We will do the reciprocal of both lamp and added them. So it will give us to 220 square 100 plus 60, that is 160 upon 220 square. So our resultant resistance for both lamp for circuit will be 220 square upon 160. So there is ask what is the current in the circuit. We are asked to find out the current. So we know by Ohm law, we know I is equal to V upon R. We will put the values 220, resistance is 220 square upon 160. It will transfer to the numerator. One power will be reduced. So current will be 160 upon 220. We are asked the current, and it will be 7.29 approx 7.3 ampere. So here we have find out the current that is supplied for when we connected both of the lamp in parallel combination. Here we were given two lamp of 100 watt and 60 watt, and the power supply potential supply is 220 volt. First we find out the resistance for the both lamp. Resistance for the first lamp is 220 square upon 100, and resistance for the second lamp is 220 square upon 60. Since we are given that both of lamp are connected in parallel combination, so we will reciprocal both the lamp, resistance of both lamp, and we will added them. So the resultant resistance of both lamp we will find Rp is equal to 220 square upon 160, and we are asked to find out the current. So we know I is equal to V upon R. We will put the values and the result is 7.29 or 7.3 ampere. So this question is ended here. Note it down, and then we will go to our next question. Students, our next question is saying which uses more energy. There are two appliances are given us to in a question. One is a TV set and another is toaster, and we are asked which appliances, TV set or toaster, use more energy. The power for the TV set is given to 250 watt, and the power for the toaster is given 1200 watt. Now come to the question. We are given power for TV set. We let it P1, that is 250 watt, and power for the toaster, power for toaster is given 1200 watt, and the time for which the TV set is used is 1 hour, and the time for which the toaster is used is 10 minutes. We will convert it into hour. That will be 1/6 hour. Now we have to find out the energy that is used by the TV set or toaster. So we know the formula for heat energy. It is power into time. It is power into time. So heat energy consumed by the TV set, that is power rated for TV set into time. We will find it out in kilowatt hour upon 1000. It will give H1 0.25 kilowatt hour. Now we will find out the heat energy produced by the toaster when it is used for 10 minutes. So power is rated for toaster is 1200, and time period for which it is used 1/6 hour, and divided by the 1000. Now the heat energy produced by the toaster is 0.2 kilowatt hour. Now by both values it is clear that H1 is greater than H2, and we have to find out who uses more energy. So we can say energy consumed by the TV set, energy consumed by the TV set is more than that of toaster. That TV set consumes the energy of 0.25 kilo hour when it is used for 1 hour, and toaster consumes the energy 0.20 kilowatt hour when it is used for 1/6 hour. So for this time period, heat energy is produced by the TV set is more than that of the toaster. Now the 16th question is ended here. Note it down, and we are come to our next question, question number 17. Student, question number 17 says an electric heater of resistance 8 ohm draw 15 ampere from the service means 2 hour. Calculate the rate at which the heat is produced in the heater. Student, here we are given question number 17. Here we are given that resistance of the heater is 8 ohm. So we can write R is equal to 8 ohm. And the current drawn by the circuit, current is 15 ampere. Time is given 2 hours. Now we have to find out the rate at which the heat is developed. we know the rate at which heat develop is power, and the formula of power is P is equal to I square into R. So P is equal to, we will put the values 15 square into 8. Then we will find out 15 square is 225 into 8. It will give power 1800. It will give us the power 1800 watt. Now the students, here the answer will be 1800 watt when the resistance of the wire electric heater is 8 ohm and the current drawn is 15 ampere. Now the 17 question is ended here. Now the next question, 18 question is for explanation. First question asks, why is the tungsten used more exclusively for filament? We know tungsten have the high melting point, so it not burn easily. Tungsten do not burn easily when it supply the current. So for the region of high melting point, it is used. Next question is, why are conductor of electric heater devices such as blood toaster and electric iron made of alloy rather than pure metal? We know resistivity of the alloy is higher than that of the metal. So due to high resistivity, they are uses alloy are uses apart from the metal. The next question is asked, why is there series arrangement not used for domestic circuits? Because student, in domestic circuit, there are many appliances are used in home. If one appliances broke out or broke down, the rest of the appliance, if they are connected in series, the rest of the appliances will stop to working. So to reduce this problem, the domestic circuit is connected in the domestic appliances are connected in the parallel combination, such that if one appliances stop working, the rest of the appliances continue to work in their proper way. The next question is asking, how does the resistance of wire vary with its area of cross section? We know resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. If we increases the cross section area, the resistance will decrease, and if we will decrease the cross section area, the resistance will be increases. So resistance is inversely proportional to the cross section area. Now the last question is there, why are copper and aluminum wire usually employed for electricity transmission? Because they have low resistance. These metals have low resistance, so they not easily convert the heat energy, and properly they can flow the current through it. So now students, this chapter electricity have finished here. Its exercise have finished here. Now the next chapter we will continue in our rest of the videos, next video. So if you find this video useful for you people, please subscribe our channel, like and share our video. Thank you, students.